Welcome back to my channel. Good afternoon. I always look over there because my alarm clock like displays the time so I can work out what time of the day it is, and right now it's afternoon. Yay. But it might not be where you are, so good evening or good morning wherever you are in the world, or whatever time you're watching this. Good something. So many distractions and interruptions. It's so annoying. This video, like, I had to try and film it twice because then my camera ran out of footage space, so I had to like download all the camera footage onto my laptop, and then I deleted the footage that I filmed. Okay, so in this video today I'm going to be creating this teal looking eye with the new Dream Street, well, it's not new, it's new to me, the Dream Street Colourpop palette from Kathleen Lights. It looks like this. I will link the Colourpop haul video in the corner of your screen right now. I'll also link some more videos where I've used this palette. I've used it in a get ready with me video as well. I'm obsessed with this palette right now, and I'm also obsessed with my other Colourpop shadow palette, and I have loads of looks planned with those eyeshadows as well, and these eyeshadows, so expect a lot more videos with this. I'm sorry that this is going to be so like Colourpop, Dream Street and yes please palette filled, but I'm so excited and I just need to get it out of my system because I've got so many look ideas that I want to film. So yeah. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Woo! Okay, so I've already prepped and primed my eyelid with concealer and powder. If you don't know how I do this, then you can always go and watch my Valentine's makeup tutorial because I did it in more detail there twice actually. So that will be in the corner of your screen right now. But for now I'm going to take the Dream Street palette and I'm going to be using Magical as my first transition shade on a fluffy brush and blend this up from the crease to the brow bone. So to add a little bit more depth into that crease, I'm going to pick up a potion and I'm going to use this right in the crease, not blending it up as far as the last colour. I'm going to go back in with some more of Magical and I'm just going to blend that top edge. Okay, so to start bringing in some of the blues, I'm going to use Water Bearer, which is that matte teal colour, and I'm going to use this in the outer corner, blending it up into the crease. The key with a smoky eye like this, especially when using colour, is just to keep blending and it should come together in the end. Now for the entire lid, I'm going in with Mermaid Boy on a brush. I don't feel like I need to spray this at all. It looks beautiful all over the eyelid. And I'm just going to use this, as I said, all over the eyelid, mostly keeping to the inner 2/3. I'm going to blend that into the outer corner and the crease. Then again, I'm going back in with Potion and I'm going to blend that crease. And then finally, just to bring some more of that peach colour back into the eyes, I'm using Magical again just to diffuse everything out. Now going onto the lower lash line, I'm just going to use a teal coloured pencil in my waterline. Now I'm going to go back into Magical and I'm going to blend this across the lower lash line. I'm going to do exactly the same thing as I did on the lid and go in with Potion. I'm using this closer to the lower lash line, using the fluffy brush to blend it out. Then I'm going to take Waterberry, that teal shade, and I keep this even close to the lower lash line. I'm going to use the slightest bit of Mermaid Boy on the tip of my brush and just go really close to that lower lash line. Using a little bit of Sweet Dreams, I'm going to use this on the inner corner. I'm going to drag it slightly along the lower lash line. And then on the very, very inner corner of the tear duct, I'm going to use Moonie just to add a little bit more light to it. Right there. Not dragging it along the lower lash line like I did with the last colour, and keeping it strictly to that inner tear duct. Okay, so this is what the eyes look like with just mascara on and no falsies, but I feel like I want to add some falsies, so I'm going to do so using the Eldora eyelashes in H125. So while I wait for the lash glue on those lashes to become tacky, I'm going to use a bronzer and just bronze up the face. And the bronzer that I used was the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzing Face Powder in Sunny. Now I'm going to use the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. I'm going to use that cool tone shade, third one along, and I'm going to contour my face with this. Oh crap! Before I do anything else, I'm going to apply these eyelashes before they completely dry. Okay, those eyelashes are longer than I thought they were going to be. Okay, so bronzer and contour is finished. I've got my lashes on. The next step is going to be some blush. And for the blush, I'm going to be using this MUA blusher in Lolly. I wanted to go for something a little bit more peachy. I'm just going to curl the lashes so that they blend with my own. I'm going back into the Dream Street palette. I'm going to use a concoction of Sweet Dreams and Moonie together to create my highlight shade, which is exactly what I did for my inner corner. Sweet Dreams on its own is a little bit too dark for me. I tried it in my Colourpop haul video, so I'll link that in the eye as well. But it was a little bit too dark for me, but mixed with Moonie, it looks gorgeous. The lips, I don't really know what I want to do, but for now I'm going to line my lips with the NYX lip liner in Mauve. Stop! Why now? I also just took that lip liner on the inner parts of my lips as well. Now for the middle of the lips, I'm going to use the MAC lipstick, which is a cream sheen in Shygirl. Okay, so the look is complete. Oh, this is like so full glam. I actually love this. I feel like heavy makeup like this just makes me look so much older than I am. Like, would you honestly see me in the street and be like, oh, she's 17 years old? Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of this look, if you want to see more looks with the Dream Street palette, and what other videos you want to see from me next. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! So today, stop! So in this video today, stop! And now I'm going to use some of